In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp chat to your Wix website. This is a great way to enhance your site's functionality by allowing visitors to seamlessly reach out to you through WhatsApp, a platform that many people use daily for quick communication. To get started, we'll be using a tool called Elfsight. First, open your web browser and navigate to elfsight.com. This platform offers a wide range of widgets that you can integrate into your website to improve its interactivity. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to create a widget. In this case, we are specifically interested in creating a WhatsApp widget. When you choose the WhatsApp widget, you'll see a variety of templates. You can select a standard template, which is a great starting point. This template is designed to cover the basic needs and can be customized to match the style of your website. Now, at this point, you'll need to enter your WhatsApp number. This number will be the point of contact for visitors who want to reach out to you through WhatsApp. Enter the number carefully to ensure it's accurate, as this is how potential clients or customers will reach you. Once you've set up your widget, it's time to bring it into your Wix site. Elfsight makes this easy. After finalizing the widget, click on the Install option. You will see a code pop up on your screen. This code is the magic link between Elfsight and Wix, so go ahead and copy this code. With the widget code in hand, navigate over to your Wix editor. The Wix editor is the back end of your website, where you can manage and make changes to your site's design and features. Look for the option labeled Add Elements. Click on it, and you'll see multiple choices that allow you to embellish your site even further. What we're interested in is Embed code. More specifically, you'll want to select Embed HTML. This is where you'll paste the code that you copied earlier from Elfsight. Paste the code in the provided field and then press Update. Once you do that, you'll see your WhatsApp chat feature appear on your Wix site. Now that the widget is active, you can adjust its position. You may want to move it around to ensure that it's both visible and convenient for your visitors. Consider pinning it so that the chat option stays in place even as users scroll through your website. This ensures that you're always within reach, enhancing user experience and engagement. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a WhatsApp chat option to your Wix website, making it easier for visitors to contact you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this integration helps boost your website.